Hello, my name is Faris and you join me here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I would like to take you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen T28 Transporter Highline 4-berth camper conversion. This vehicle features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine producing 110 PS. Accompanying this is a 5-speed manual transmission. This example is finished in the Ascot Grey solid paint colour, and taking a look at some of the exterior features, up front we'll find daytime running lights, and this camper features a set of front parking sensors. Down below and across all four wheels we'll find a set of 20-inch black alloy wheels finished in a multi-spoke design. The camper features a solar collector on the roof, as well as privacy glass lining the rear windows. Further helping you park and maneuver, the vehicle also features a set of rear parking sensors. Equipped at the back are some barn doors, and behind these are some storage cupboards over on the right hand side. Moving into the rear passenger area, we'll find a comfortable twin-seater passenger bench. This also features an Alpine roll-out bed, which can be easily deployed. Some amenities in the back of the vehicle include charging points, a sink with a folding tap, as well as a twin Hob Burner and an LG Compressor Fridge. Once the sun sets, the rear bench does fold flat, ensuring you get a good night's sleep. Moving up into the cab area, we'll find a total of 3 seats, a twin armrest seat for the driver, while the passenger bench has some underseat storage. In the centre of the dash, we can find a 6.5-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and the vehicle also comes with cold climatic air conditioning. Cup holders and a variety of charging points can be found throughout the centre console, and exclusively for the driver, we'll find a 3-spoke multifunction leather-trimmed steering wheel. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen T28 Transporter Highline 4-berth camper conversion. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.